Right, good evening. Tonight's video is nothing to do with this lot. It's not escort related. This is all about a lady that has got a bit of an arthritic problem. She's got a finger size that's quite small. She's around about size L, which is about there on my finger, if you like, very small. But she's got the most horrendous arthritis. And so because of this, her knuckle is bigger than Z. It actually goes off the scale. I'd guess she's about Z plus 5, you know, but this is arthritis. It can happen to any one of us. But her husband gave her a ring years ago and she cannot wear it anymore. She just cannot wear it because she can't get it past that knuckle. So she's asked me to make a ring for her. This is the ring I've made for her. Now the beauty about this ring is that she has fallen in love with it because it's the diamond that he gave her, I'm guessing 60 years ago when they got engaged. So this ring will go on. Because I've made a 3-knuckle joint at the back of the ring. It's a little bit sad in some ways with other companies that are out there that have not got their own initiative to come up with their own ideas. But then I suppose sometimes we can all be a little bit guilty of that ourselves. But I made this ring, and would you believe in 3 months it's already been copied by about half a dozen companies? But that's the way it is, I suppose. That's just, I suppose if Lexus can do that to Mercedes and clothing brands do it to other brands, that's just the way it is. And I think it's one of those things in life that we just have to accept that I think we can all be a little bit guilty of copying each other, maybe. I suppose that's just the way the world is. I was just a little bit shocked in some ways because I thought this was a really, really neat idea. So irrespective of what they've done, whether they've copied me or not, you just have to deal with it. But anyway, all that aside, this lady is now over the moon because she can now wear the single stone or the diamond that her old man bought her all them years ago. All I've got to do is just clean the thread back a little bit and then that will go down. I thought I'd show you this because I think this is just something a little bit different. It's a little bit unique. And I don't really often say this, but I was actually really pleased that we was able to achieve something for her that works. I hope you like it. Good evening, everyone.